hi, I guess today's my last unboxing of the day. So this is from Heimish. Yes, so it's a Korean beauty brand, and I've tried the products before and they work really nice. So every 6 months they send me like a package and I get to choose at least 3 products for me to try out. So I chose all of these and these are gifted. This is not a paid collab, so yes, I'm so excited because it's mainly SPF products. Okay. Oh, they wrapped it all really well. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the first is the Artlist Glow Tinted Sunscreen. So this is the SPF 50 plus. I already tried their Artlist Glow Base, but this is also SPF 50, but this is a different kind. This one's a new formula. I think that's why I got it. This is, I think it's basically, oh yeah, it's because this one's tinted sunscreen. This came out pinkish because it's made to look like, make your skin look glowy, kind of like a highlighter, but doesn't really show pink. It's just clear, but this is actually really tinted, it says. So I was intrigued, you know. I was like, I don't use tinted sunscreen. So this is anti-wrinkle, brightening, like UV protection. So it has like triple functions. It's not just regular SPF. This makes you not have wrinkles, which is pretty cool. So you just use it like any traditional SPF though. Okay, so this can even your skin tone, and it gives you like a natural pear glow, so kind of like a highlighter kind of look. So, and it also acts as a makeup base, so like a makeup primer. So it's kind of like a cool twin-one product. I think like this one pretty much. And it says that it gives you higher coverage and what, it helps your makeup last longer. This sounds pretty cool. I don't know if it's true, but wow, I'm glad I chose this one. Yeah, because, excuse me, I'm reading this one. It's Korean, so I don't know anything about, oh wait, there's an English. Okay, so this one is also anti-wrinkle and UV protection. Okay, so this one gives you like a luxurious glossy glow base. It makes it look like more bright and natural. Radiance effect. Okay, so like soft shiny pearliness formula. Yeah, like kind of like a highlighter formula, but kind of. Okay, so this I did like, so you know, I'm excited for this one, because those days that you don't want to put like foundation but you still want to look cute, use this one because it's tinted. It's like a mixture like of a BB cream and like SPF. So it's a pretty packaging. It looks pretty nice. Okay, so it smells like regular SPF. So, and you see it is tinted. It looks like my skin tone. Ooh, it's a little bit warm, so it blends in nicely. It blends into my skin. Okay, so it smells good. Like, it doesn't have a strong scent, but it does have like a slight SPF scent. It feels nice. Yeah, it's just like the other one. In case y'all want to see how this one looks too, I'm gonna show ya. This is what I got this like winter, I think last year. I still have some because I use different sunscreens, but this is the difference. This one's white and the tinted is like a beige brownish packaging. So a lot of people like their products, so, and yeah, as they should. It looks pretty nice. Okay, so let me see. Like, you see it's kind of like white pinkish, not like the other one. This one smells good too, so I like their SPF. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so I also got a second SPF because, yeah, I already know, I need a lot of SPF, especially right now. It's so hot. Okay, in the summer, I'm going out frequently, so that's why I need a lot of SPF. So this is their watery sunscreen, and this is SPF 50 as well. Okay, and this has hyaluronic hydrating sunscreen. So this caught my eye because it's very like hydrating, and I have dry skin, so that's why I was like, oh, I need to try this one. It's not gonna be like thick like traditional sunscreen, so it can work as a moisturizer too. So this one is not for, it doesn't help you with wrinkles like the other two. It gives you like a gentle application, like it gives you like a lot of moisture with a light finish. So like, yeah, like very like lightweight, like moisturizing, like a actual cream kind of feel. So super great for dry skin types. I mean, you can still wear it if you have oily skin, but that's what their main target is. Okay, so the bottle is kind of the same, but it's not really. It comes like a squeezy tube like this. This one is just like square, flat. Oh, this one's longer. This one's bigger. Okay, so maybe this one has more products. So let me see. Oh, this one comes with a cap. Let me open it and smell it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it comes on white. It smells a little different than the other two. It doesn't smell bad, it's just different scent. So kind of like perfumey, but not really. I can't tell. It's interesting, but it has like these ingredients. Okay, so oh, wrong box. It looks nice. Okay, so I'm excited to try these out. That's enough with the skincare. The next is a beauty product. I couldn't decide. I was gonna get their eyeshadow palettes, but then I saw this mascara because a lot of people love their mascara. They have two different types. They have like a volume one and like a for length, I think. I don't know which one to choose, so I chose this one. This is Dylism Smudge Stop Mascara. So I already have mascaras, but I was like the reviews were really good. I was like, let me just try it out, right? So this makes your lashes look long and curly. So, and I don't know why, and the older ladies, if they like it, it means it's really good because they normally don't have a lot of like eyelashes, and we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how the packaging looks. Okay, so it's just a traditional black simple tube mascara. It looks pretty nice. Okay, so let me open it. Oh, it's just like a traditional mascara wand. It's interesting. So supposedly it's very, very good. So it's interesting. So obviously I'm gonna do like a before and after reel using this mascara and see if it really makes my lashes look really long. I'll probably do it today. Like, yeah, I feel like doing it today. Thank you so much, Heimish. I'm very excited to try these out. I really am, because you know their brand is very nice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll maybe insert clips of me trying it on. Thanks so much for watching.